How to withdraw funds from Gate to Backpack. To begin, visit the Gate homepage and click on Wallet. Click on the Funds overview. Next, click on Withdraw. Select the coin SOL and the network as SOL Solana. To get the withdrawal address, open your Backpack wallet, click on Receive, and copy the Solana wallet address. Paste it as the withdrawal address. Enter the quantity, amount, and click on Next. Complete the security steps by entering the fund password, the code sent to your phone number, and the two-factor authentication code. Click on Complete to finish the process. Now, click on the box to verify. After the transaction is complete, your updated balance will be visible in your Backpack wallet. Welcome to Solana, the home of USDH.